This is so dry, this bread you can play baseball. Hello everybody, today we make Pappa al Pomodoro. I got all the ingredients right over here in front of me. We got chicken stock, we got onion, garlic, cheese. I got 4 plum tomato. What I did, I was boil a little bit, I take the skin out, and we got really dry bread. This is so dry, this bread you can play baseball. And this is the bread the way I gotta cut, but I gotta cut more bread, and we need fresh basil. Okay, now we gotta chop more bread. I want to fill it up with this, you gotta be 2 cups. Now, the bread I cut like this. Look how dry. And now we chop like that. And we put over there in the cup. I think this you got enough. Let's see. Okay, look how beautiful. Okay, good. And we did the bread. Okay, now we chop the onion. Alright, like this. After you cut it, small piece. You don't gotta be really small. Like this, it's really good. Look at that. And now we got the garlic. And the garlic, what I do, I cut it in half like that. And we make a little piece the same like the onion. And we put it back on this little monkey dish. Okay, now we do the tomato. And the tomato you open up in the middle like this. And you got a little bit over here, and you can scoop out this like that. That's all. And you take the seeds out. And I put it right over here. One time you do nice the seeds out, everything, you cut it, and you make a cube. Like that. This is a really easy dish. It's not too much work. It's delicious. Now this dish, you know, I was working in Italy, in Torino, and the people, my boss, he was from Lucca, Tuscany. And we was make this dish, Pappa al Pomodoro. Okay, now we gotta start the Pappa al Pomodoro. And we start with the oil. We get some. All right. Now we leave warm up the pots a little bit. I gotta put garlic and onion. Now we put the garlic and onion. All right. And we leave it cook a little bit. Okay, see now everything is starting to jump around, nice fry. And we gotta wait a little bit more, cause we gotta go the tomato now after. Look how beautiful this. Oh, this oil, it's really delicious. Look how beautiful it look now. You see, no make sure no burn. You gotta be just like that. Now we got the tomato, the plum tomato. It looks so delicious. We lower the gas a little bit. You don't want to burn or not. Okay, now we was give a nice turn for the tomato. And now it's the time of the salt. I use the sea salt. And we put the salt. It's enough, because my chicken stock, it's already salty. Now we put a black pepper. All right, and we give a nice turn with the black pepper and salt. Okay, now it's the time of the chicken stock. Oh, and we give a turn on this. Okay, now this you gotta cook for 20 minutes. Now still I got the gas a little high, cause I wanna start the boil. One time you start the boil, you gotta put on medium low. Okay, now you start the boil, and with low, and we put on medium low. You gotta boil really, not too much, just low, like this. See how beautiful? Okay, look how beautiful it looks, you see? You start to dry mud, water, everything, the chicken stock, everything. Now, it's time to put the bread. And when I put the bread, you gotta stay for 10 more minutes. Now, it's the bread. Oh, look at this. How beautiful it looks now. Okay, we make it up. Make sure to put on low, medium low. Now this you gotta cook it for 10 minutes, but I wanna say something else. When I was working in Torino, who come out on the TV over there? Rita Pavone, Pappa col Pomodoro. Oh, she sings so good. They was sing, Viva la papà col pomodoro. You know what we was calling in Italy, Rita Pavone? Pella di carote. I love it. So you want, go look the song Rita Pavone, Pappa col Pomodoro. And she's so beautiful. She's that big, like me. Viva la papà col pomodoro. Viva la papà col pomodoro. Beautiful song. Look at the video of Rita Pavone. After you let me know, Pasquale, you're right. They make Pappa al Pomodoro. Okay, now this is 10 minutes, and now it's time to put the cheese. All right. We give a nice turn with the cheese. And I got fresh basil, and I cut like this. Take the leaves out. Okay, look. Oh, the basil smells so strong. It's really, really fresh. All right. And we do. Okay. My Pappa di Pomodoro ready. Now it's time to taste. I gotta taste my Pappa al Pomodoro. A little oil on the top. Look at that. Oh. I hope somebody make it the way I did it. It's delicious. And with this, nice salute e cin ad everybody. With a good wine, it tastes much better. Cin cin, salute. Oh. Thank you very much. I hope somebody make and you let me know it come out good. This is really good. Make, and we see next time. Goodbye.